In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit card from your eBay account. Whether you're looking to update your payment methods or remove a card you no longer use, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. So sit back, follow along, and let's get started. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type eBay and hit enter. This will bring up a list of results. You'll want to navigate to the official eBay website, which should be the very first result that appears. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're on the eBay homepage, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Here, you'll find the Sign In option. If you're not already signed in, click on it. Enter your login credentials to access your account. If you have any trouble remembering your password, eBay provides options to recover it, so don't worry. After you're successfully logged in, look up to the upper left corner again and click on your profile. This will open a drop-down menu where you will find various account options. From this menu, choose Account Settings. Clicking on it will direct you to a new page specifically for modifying different aspects of your account. Now, once you're in the account settings, look for the Payments section and click on it. This is where you manage all the financial details related to your eBay account. Being familiar with this section is particularly useful if you frequently buy or sell items on the platform. Within the Payments tab, you'll be able to see all saved payment methods. Browse through your list of saved payment options until you find the credit card that you wish to delete. This is usually indicated by the last few digits of the card number, so be sure you're selecting the correct one. If you're unsure, double check with your physical card to avoid any mistakes. Once you've found the correct credit card, you'll see an option to delete beside it. Simply click on Delete to proceed. You'll most likely be prompted to confirm your action to ensure no accidental deletions occur. Confirm your decision, and that's it. The credit card is now successfully removed from your eBay account. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your payment methods to suit your current needs. Remember, maintaining up-to-date payment options is crucial for a smooth shopping experience online. Thank you for watching, and if this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe for more useful guides just like this one. See you in the next video.